Where's my fish friend?
Yeah, right there, right there. Go put it down in the water. Put it down in the water.
She already gone down. Sak, be careful, huh? You want to go to near the toilet?
Hey! Something attacked the fish. Oh, what's that?
Also the same, but smaller.
But it attacked the
The blue.
That's so very
Laki
bad.
talaga yun.
What is-
Pare, pakita ka dito. Pwede kitong i-dip kaso madumi. Lilinis pa. Let's walk here. Let's
Go
walk.
over there, guys. Go over there.
Walk.
Careful. 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 Whoa, whoa! You can jump.
Parang triangle na fish.
Look at it. Come here, Mama. I see you. Come here. I see some strange fish right here.
Strange?
Yeah.
Wala na, nasa ilalim na.
Come here. I'll be where. It's over here. Then I see. Now let's go that way. No, I'm not cheating you. Stop cheating me. I'm not cheating you.
Wala na. Pumunta sa ilalim at pakita lang kay Mira. Ito sa ko have, look here, have mini fish also. You know?
Okay.
You know.
Wow, what a strange fish. Where? Where? Strange. What's the octopus?
Boneka oh.
Where?
Ang balabu.
How about we swim? Now let's go to the next one there to check the crab.
Come here, come here.
Where are you going? This is a Christmas table.
Yan. Ano number natin? Number 15. Pwede na natin itanong yung bill.
Wanna go walk to the next place. Say that. That one, when you top, you go here or no, Dad?
Uncle Dwight go here before. เอา
ย้ำเตือนฉันอยู่เสมอ
You never see tiny crab here. Yo, I want to see tiny crab.
บอกว่าหัวใจ
Dun, dun, dun.
Whoa. Oh, this one was
That one
he's
is
so
the-
fast. He's a complete man.
You want to stay here, you gonna sleep there.
Oh, wait.
Cannot see. Pumunta sa ilalim kan. Ay, ito pala oh, yan oh. Si Tropa. You know, suck the red shrimp.
Daddy, dip the camera,
I don't like to dip.
So expensive, $1,000. Wow, look at the crab doing circle. You wanna attack me, right? Go to school. And
They like to eat some kid.
You can eat someone else.
Joke.
How about over there?
Tingnan natin toilet banda dito na. I'll go to the toilet.
Tiny fish.
Be careful.
Wait, look at this guy. How about
We are here in the middle of the sea, the best floating restaurant in Phuket, Thailand. Here. Toilet is here. Ne. Ito medyo special yung toilet. A bit special because the toilet is slanted. The second one. Slant, nakaslant oh. Yan lang.
That looks like a tee. hole. Come. There's a hole right here.
Hole.
There's a hole.
Hole.
Look.
Say hole.
Holy.
Kasi kasi nag-toilet tour na isa
Toilet. Oh, dito isang ano muna tayo dito sa may tabi ng dagat, isang harap.
But what's the last?
Mira, how from 1 to 10, how much will you rate your experience 1 to 10 out of 10?
Sa kami na it's too hot.
Let's do it, let's go.
I want to go now.
Let's go to the Robinson. Doon tayo na. Tanong natin kung para
To wait for our boat.
number 15, number 10, number 16.